so stinking cute. I look good. Hair came out so good, y'all. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title of the video, from the thumbnail, y'all already know what's gonna be. You already know what it's hitting for. This is an Amazon. This is an Amazon. I'm keeping that in. I'm not finished. I'm not doing this shit over. This is the Amazon wig install. We're gonna get straight to the point. Anything that you need to know is gonna be at the end of the video or in the description box. Okay. So welcome back if you're coming back, and welcome if you're new. We just go straight to it. We don't do too much talking, okay? I ain't with all that talking. Roll the clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go use 3 layers of the bold hold. Now I got mine from the beauty supply store. I did not get mine from the website. And I used 3 very thin layers because this glue does dry really fast. And you're gonna see that I did have to go in again and put some more glue on the air tabs because it was just not sticking down for some reason, and it was real aggravating, y'all. And so after I let the glue dry a little bit, I just used the back of my tail comb and I pressed it down. Once I press that down, I'ma just go in again with a little bit more glue and just touch up the little parts that's sticking up in the front after I done cut the lace. So you're gonna see what I'm talking about.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Instal. Just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot.
Alright, y'all, pay attention. And I kept this in the same speed. I didn't speed it up or nothing. I'm using a brand new blade, okay? This is an eyebrow cleanup thingy. I don't know the correct name of it right now. I really can't think of it from the top of my head. But I'm not moving the blade. I'm literally taking the lace and pulling it back onto the blade of the shredder, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not cutting the actual lace. I'm just using the lace itself and I'm pulling it back towards the blade on the thing that I'm using, and that's how I'm cutting the lace to give it like a jagged, rigged look. And you see it looks real natural, looks real cute, and that's exactly what you want. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. I ended up doing it in 2 sections instead of 4 sections because that just worked better for me. And as you can see, it came out perfectly fine, period. And after all that stuff I was talking, look what happened. The freaking thing broke on me, y'all. I was so caught off guard because it was brand new. So I'm just like, yo, I was in the zone. I was going, like I was feeling it. So imagine how I felt when the thing broke. But listen, I'm gonna make it work one way or the other. So I just took the blade out the long piece and just used it just as is. But y'all gotta be careful when doing that, okay? So just take your time. That part was speeded up, but I was definitely taking my time because I did not want to cut myself. So after I finish doing that, I'm gonna go ahead again and just use a little bit more glue to touch up the lace that's lifting up in the front. And I'm gonna do that on both sides until I like it. Tie that down, blow dry it, and then we're gonna get into styling.
I just caught a shorty off a Instal. Just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. On the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to bone.
So I was originally gonna do the half up, half down with the two crisscross braids in the front, but clearly we see that they didn't work out. So I just ended up doing like a regular half up, half down. I feel like that fit my face way better, and the braids were just doing too much. So I just took a little strip and I wrapped it around the base of the ponytail. I did not braid the full ponytail because I still wanted the hair from the frontal to be a part of the actual ponytail, if you get what I'm saying. So I had some spare hair. If you're a hairstylist, if you do your own hair, you know you got a bag of hair somewhere. So I had some spare hair in that bag. I took that out and I just used a couple pieces just to make my ponytail a bit thicker so it didn't look thin, so the girls wouldn't be out here talking shit about me. Okay, so I just had to make sure we got that together. I literally only added, like, I'll say probably like half a pack. It wasn't actually a pack, but that's how I'll reference it. It was like half a pack. So I'm gonna do that until I get to the bottom of it. Then I'm gonna close it up with like the little wrap thing, and then we're gonna come back and do the baby hairs.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off of Instal. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to bone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Yeah, why you keep playing these? Yeah, why you keep playing these games? Yeah, why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. And you wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same. But me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad. Fuck them niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at. Gang with me in the trap. They be waiting just to spaz. They be really in they bag. I've been waiting for a bag. I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches. They always lie to a nigga. Tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying. Cause I still be lying to bitches. Call me on FaceTime saying nothing but lies. That's why I don't argue with bitches. I swear I don't argue with bitches. Go ahead and cry me a river. Ooh, please don't get me in my mood.
I look so stinking cute. I look good. Hair came out so good, y'all. Yep. If y'all got this far, you're a real one. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. This hair is from Amazon. It will be linked below in the description box, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I have not done, like, I don't know, I think this is one of my best installs, like my updo installs in a good minute. Like, I don't know what's been happening, but Amazon been doing their damn thing 2 times in a row, because they've been slacking, but now they back on track. But yeah, like I said, this is the end result of the install. What? Yeah, this is very dark skin girl friendly because the lace blended so freaking easy. Like, I give it a 10 out of 10. The hair is soft, the lace blended, it bleached, it was easy to pluck. Like, I really didn't have no issues with this wig. But I am gonna give you guys like a 1 month update, or I'm gonna probably say, no, I'm gonna say 1 month, because I'm not gonna keep this on for a whole month straight, but I'm gonna, you know, rotate it periodically and see what it's hitting for, if it's still gonna be same after a couple weeks. Y'all know how these big companies get. So I'm probably gonna do like a 1 month update, then a 2 month update. Yeah, we gonna get back to the real times. But look how I'm flowing my fingers through the hair. Like, that's how you know it's off. Okay, the only thing I would say, I probably would want it a little bit thicker, but the frontal, like the front part, is real thick. So I was plucking for a long time. I was plucking for a hella long, y'all. But other than that, that's it. It could be a little bit thicker, but it doesn't even seem like it's thin. Like, let me see if I can stand up. This is, and I got 26 inches. Yeah, I got 26 inches straight. Yeah, straight, yeah. I can't stop talking because it really came out so good. I don't know, me, I love when I do hairstyles with hair outside of my face, because I like to see my face, because I'm a pretty girl. I like to see my face, period. But that's all it is. That's tea. I'm gonna give you guys an up close and personal so y'all can see the lace like in real timing. Let me see if I can lift it up. Look, this is a different lighting. So this is like further away from the ring light, and well, my vanity lights say that, and this is in the vanity light. So either lighting is still hitting. That's how you know the lace is freaking good. It's still hit in the daylight, in the night. All right. Now I'm gonna get out of here for real, y'all. So like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Peace out. Bye.